Greetings once again from VLSI, I'm Panu, and today I'm going to give you a hopefully quick example of how to get some sound out of a VS1005 board. Now I have downloaded the VSOS 3.10 version of the kernel and the drivers from the VSDSP forum. So here at VSOS software, the latest kernel version at this time is 3.10, so I have downloaded here the 3.10 flash kernel and the libraries, compiled, installed that to the developer board, and then uploaded these drivers. Okay, so let's take a terminal and take a look at the board when it boots. Reset, and here I have the normal boot process of 3.10. Now I keep the S1 pressed and reset once again, and with the S1 it will become a removable disk. Now here I have all these drivers in the sys folder, and the one I'm interested today is our very old example, one of our original examples for the VSOS3 PlayFile.dl3 library. Now, to use this PlayFile.dl3, we need to have something to play. So, into the same flash, I will now get here ding.wave. I have ding.wave here, so let me just copy this and paste it to the flash. Okay, now we have the ding.wave in the flash. Now let's open the config.txt, and here we have the configurations. Configuration 0, default configuration. Configuration 1, as you remember, these are selected in the developer board by keeping a button pressed. There are 4 buttons, S1, 2, 3 and 4. Keeping a button pressed when you boot the developer board. Configuration 0 is the default configuration when no button is pressed. Configuration 1 is USB configuration in those kernels which have the USB mass storage built in. So to use configuration 1, it's internally used by the kernel to switch on the USB. So let's make configuration 2, and here we write playfile s:\ding.wave, and that's it. And let's save this. Great. And now I keep S2 pressed and reset. And we hear the ding here. We hear the ding from my small loudspeakers when I reset. Let me reset again. And here we have the ding. Okay. I can do something else which is also a little bit interesting. Let me reset once again with S1, so I get the removable disk. And now we use the playfile.dl3, and we played ding.wave from disk S, which in this case is the flash, because I'm using a flash kernel. There's another rather interesting device driver here at the sys folder, and it's this one, DevHello.dl3. Now this is a device driver which has just a very small MP3 file inside it. You've heard it in the Audible Hello example for 1053 and 1003 on the DSP forum. Now let me invoke that driver, and I give it parameter age. And okay, we can keep this play file s::ding.wave and write another line, PlayFile H. Okay. Now this one creates a new device. It's a virtual device just in the VS1005 RAM, and whatever you read from that device, whichever file you open from this device, it will always give the hello MP3 data. And so if I want to play that file from H, then I will get the data from this device. Let's just try this one. Save, great, and reset once again.
Hello.
And we heard the ding and hello. Let's try once again.
Hello.
Right, so here we have the play file, and it plays first the ding.wave, great, and then the second invocation loads, plays the hello. And here we have some debug output because the DevHello is an example. So we have some debug output so to make it easier to see what's going on. And the end result is that we hear the ding.wave from the flash. We could also play it from an SD card. And then we hear the hello, which comes from a virtual driver. And these are the two main the key ideas of playing files with the VSOS. You can play disk files, and then you can declare devices, external devices such as SPI streaming, something like that, and you can play audio from there also. Now, this was just a quick demonstration. Thank you for watching, and with the next video we will take a further look inside the PlayFile library and the device example to see how this is actually done. But for now, thank you for watching.